Popular cricketers Yuvraj Singh and Harbhajan Singh were recently spotted enjoying some time off the cricket field. The duo was seen having a great time at a live concert by singer Satinder Sartaaj on the occasion of World Music Day. The event was conducted for Yuvraj's foundation UV Can, which was set up by the cricketer to spread awareness about cancer. Yuvraj thanked the singer Satinder Sartaaj for holding the concert and for raising funds for the foundation.
सबसे पहले मैं सतिंदर सरताज को शुक्रिया अदा करना चाहूँगा कि उन्होंने यूवी कैन के लिए ये इवेंट किया, अपना टाइम दिया, कीमती वक्त और जो भी डोनेशंस और जो भी अवेयरनेस हम यूवी कैन के द्वारा करना चाहेंगे तो उसका मोटिव वही है आज.
Yuvraj's close friend and colleague Harbhajan Singh was also spotted at the event. He said he was here to support Yuvraj in the great job that he was doing by lending a helping hand to the cancer patients.
Well, obviously, UV is a very, very close friend. Any of his event is like my event because he is doing such a great job. He's trying to help a lot of cancer people. With whatever he has gone through, he's just telling the experiences to the people, and of course, he's spending a lot of money from his own pocket, and of course, there are a lot of people who are helping this great cause. Just would like to tell all the people to continue to support us, in this, and may this UV can go to everyone's reach and try and help everyone.
Bollywood actors Kabir Bedi, Ranvijay Singh, Geeta Basra, and Harshita Bhatt were also spotted at the event to support Yuvraj's foundation. Here's what they had to say.
Wherever there's a noble cause, it's always nice to be a part of a noble cause, and it's great to lend a hand wherever I can and to be here to support him. I know he's a fighter and he's a champion, and he's a dear friend of mine, and I'm wishing him the best in life, and you're an inspiration to many, so it's great to be here and support him and be there for him.
I think Yuvraj, not just on the field, but in real life, has given inspiration to a lot of people and to a lot of families that are going through cancer, and it's not easy. But I think he gives hope to a lot of people that you can come back to whatever you're doing. Being a sportsman is difficult as it is, and actually going through a lot of chemos and then coming back, it's just great. And anytime that we can do our part by supporting, being there for our friends, family, or for music or just for a cause, I think it's an awesome celebration.
Powered by NNIS.